students, get ready for the new challenge. Let me remind you, you did wonderful work during the result update of quarter 1. We all know very well during quarter 1 we were facing tremendous challenges of corona COVID-19 impact. You all searched the report on growing industries during corona, that is Q1. You searched some quality companies and you have presented. So how was the world before corona? What happened during corona and what to expect now? We all know very well that since last 3 years, economy was already muted. Global GDP was muted. India, China, along with many other countries were also affected. But during the Q3, worldwide, we saw growth was again visible. 80% of the countries started to grow during last year Q3, and everywhere it was a happy lining. Friends, estimates were good worldwide, and during that time, we saw Corona coming in between them. The economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of Statistics. The World Bank and rating agencies has initially revised India's growth for 2021 with the lowest figures India has seen in last 3 decades. State Bank of India research estimated a contraction of 40% in GDP in Q1, and we know what happened during Q1. At least it was 23.9%. According to Nomura India Business Reception Index, economy activity fell from 83% on 22nd March to 44% on 26 April. Unemployment rose. It was largest GDP contraction ever in Q1. Sharp rise in unemployment, stress on supply chains, decrease in government income, collapse of the tourism industry, collapse of the hospitality industry. It was reduced consumer activity, plunge in fuel consumption, rise in LPG sales, fall in trade with China, and so on. We saw a new world, the world of mask, the world of work from home, the world without schools and colleges, a new world. That was the time when you presented your Q1 result. I was so happy. Many of the students presented their ideas. They did research on sales growth and profit growth. Now is the time to do research of H1. So let us create the team of students again. We will compare quarter 1 with H1 and will try to predict this annual 2021. So all those students who want to take part in this challenge of comparing Q1 versus H1 and predicting top quality companies for 2021, I welcome you. All those two past students or students from those batches which have just been completed can take part in this challenge. As of now, majority of the company's result have already announced. So we know the idea where water is flowing towards. We will create the team of students. They will collect the data, do research, check where there is growth, check the growth we saw during Q1 versus H1. We very well know that only growth will not work. If we will check only growth, then yes, those companies will definitely grow during this time. But in coming time, if quality will not be there, it's useless to see only growth. So after checking growth, you are going to compare it with quality. You will be with the companies and sectors which are growing along with high quality. The list would be prepared, and on Dhanteras, that is Friday, you will present your work. There would be several companies who are going to give Diwali tips, Diwali companies. Profit from it would be a company where investors, students are going to give the list of those companies which could perform high in the next decade. So get ready, students. Your whole work will be checked by those students who have already cleared research analyst certification. So this will be a very well teamwork, and I would be waiting for your presentations on Dhanteras. Contact to our team for taking the part in this challenge. Thank you very much and best of luck to everyone. New challenge Q1 versus H1.